The Great Wall of China is one of the world's most iconic landmarks. It snakes across mountains, deserts, and grasslands. For centuries, it has stood as a testament to China's history and ingenuity. The wall's story is long and complex. It reflects the many dynasties and empires that have shaped China. The Great Wall wasn't built all at once. Its construction spanned centuries, beginning in the 7th century BC. Various states and kingdoms built walls to protect their territories. These early walls were made from simple materials like earth and wood. The Qin dynasty, from 221 to 206 BC, is credited with unifying these disparate walls. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, famous for his terracotta army, connected and strengthened these barriers. This created a more formidable defense against invaders from the north. The construction involved millions of laborers. They worked tirelessly, often in harsh conditions. The wall was primarily built with locally sourced materials. These included tamped earth, stone, and brick. The construction methods varied depending on the terrain and available resources. The Great Wall's purpose extended beyond just a physical barrier. It served as a regulated border crossing for trade and travel. The wall facilitated communication and troop movements. Watchtowers were strategically placed along its length. These towers provided shelter for soldiers and served as lookout points. The wall had a profound impact on Chinese society. It symbolized the empire's strength and unity. The wall's construction also had a significant cultural influence. It fostered a sense of shared identity and patriotism among the Chinese people. Over the centuries, the Great Wall has undergone numerous renovations and extensions. Different dynasties, including the Han, Ming, and Qing, have contributed to its present-day form. The Great Wall's significance extends beyond its military and defensive roles. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Today, the Great Wall stands as a powerful symbol of China's rich history and cultural heritage. It attracts millions of visitors each year. The Great Wall is a reminder of human endeavor and the enduring power of the past. It continues to inspire awe and wonder in people around the world.